We are here to see today what's inside all this seaweed.
Oh, bro, we probably got so much. Oh my God, look at that little crab.
Get him, Ryan. Oh, a whole school of them. Call one, I call one. That little trigger at the top, try to push that down, Ryan.
I got something really weird in this net and I don't know what it is.
Oh my gosh, yo, she caught one. Oh
my God. What the heck is that?
What is it?
What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video here. Today, I've got a net and in my pocket, a little magnifying glass, and in my other pocket, Ryan, a little jar so we can see what we catch. I am today joined by my mother. This is Pamela.
Don't do that. Do it again.
I am joined today by my mother, Pamela.
What? Why are you doing that?
And Ryan. Here's Ryan, his weirdo.
What is up, guys?
Today we're going to be netting through all the seaweed. Right now in Jupiter, Florida, the seaweed is just crazy. It's everywhere. And we're going to see what we can catch inside of the seaweed. So stay tuned, stick along, I'm going to the dock. It's windy. Dude,
There's so much room in here.
there is so much room. We can make a PC aquarium shop.
Oh, yeah.
Come on in. It's locked. Would you all come to my PC aquarium shop if we made one? That would be sick, right, Mom?
Yeah.
I'll
keep right there.
Yeah, hit the like button and I'll make a PC aquarium shop. First thing we see, a bunch of colored nets. Mom, do you want a pink net? They're bamboo nets.
I love it.
You get pink. You get green?
Get green?
And I'll get blue.
The blue.
This is cool too. Look at that. We can actually magnifying glass what we catch.
Ready to go?
Look at on camera.
Oh my God. No, wait. Is that a permit or a jack? Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there he goes.
There he goes. So along this dock is just a bunch of seaweed that is washing in and out, whether it's outgoing tide or incoming tide, and fish congregate around all this seaweed. It's where food is, it's where all these little file fish and spade fish and all that stuff come to eat. And we are here to see today what's inside all this seaweed. Take a nice scoop with our $1 bamboo net.
Oh, bro, we probably got so much.
And you just start shaking. Look at the shrimp.
Oh.
Start shaking the, shake the seaweed. Look at shrimp right here. Another one right there. See that thing? Drop it in. Can you see him?
Oh, it's sick. It's actually so sick.
Little tiny shrimp. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like a chicken.
Find anything good over here?
Pamela, how does it look?
Not as good as the ones you get.
I was here the other day at dinner and that's what gave me this idea. This was like a couple nights ago. Dude, what are we in, a hurricane? What is this? It's 50-mile-an-hour winds out here. Regardless, I was eating dinner the other night and I filmed a bunch of stuff on my iPhone. I was standing right over there. There was a lot more seaweed, but I caught a lot of cool stuff on camera. So we're at dinner, but I'm vlogging. I want to go look at the seaweed. Give me inspiration for tomorrow. Oh, boys and girls, we hit the money spot. If I come back smelling like fish at the table, I apologize. This is crazy. That's a little file fish right there, a baby file fish. I got an arrow pointed to him. He's kind of swimming under all the seaweed. See him right there? There he goes, crossing over. Everything in this seaweed will kind of make itself look like seaweed in order to blend in and not get eaten. They're everywhere. Look at the jack. Little jack just ate a fish.
Oh my God, look at that little crab. Little tiny crab.
Where?
Dude, he's right there. Oh, there he is.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Where? How'd you see that?
How did you see that thing?
I got eagle eyes. That is crazy how well these creatures blend in.
Get him, Ryan. Oh!
Oh, missed him. Hold up.
Missed
dude,
him?
They're sergeant majors, dude.
Oh, I see him, I see him.
Should I jump in?
More trash. Here you go, Ryan.
Oh,
Your pocket. Look at all the seaweed, bro. It's insane. There is this seaweed everywhere. And to be quite honest with you, this is actually not as thick as it was when I first came here.
I caught something cool by hand.
By hand.
Ready?
Look at him.
Ah! That actually hurt.
He got you right in the tongue. Where is
Yo,
he?
Paul, how many likes for you to get this boat right here? How many likes?
You see, in order for me to get this boat, I'd have to sell everything I own including my parents' house and my entire life, and then maybe I can afford that boat. It's viral. We could probably live on that.
Bro, we could definitely live on this. Uh-oh. Oh, big crab. Oh, you got him. You got him.
I got it.
You got him. That was sick. There he is. Oh my god.
Nice.
Ow. Ow.
Mom, you caught one.
I did.
Caught a crab.
He's beautiful.
Mwah. You're so kind. Bye, buddy.
Bye-bye.
I don't know what it is, but I got something really weird in this net.
Huh?
I got something really weird in this net, and I don't know what it is.
Oh my gosh. Yo, she caught one. She caught one. She caught one. This is the whole goal of today.
It is?
Yes.
Oh my god. What the heck is that?
What is it? I got
It's
something
called a sargassum fish.
Oh my god.
I said this is really weird.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh.
Oh my god.
What in the heck is
It
that?
looks like a
Oh my
frogfish.
god.
I did it.
Yeah, wait.
Oh, let's bring it to the aquarium shop. Should I go get a bucket?
Dude, that is the craziest fish.
Should I go get a bucket?
No, I definitely let it go. Look at that. That is a sargassum fish, y'all. This is the craziest thing. They blend into the seaweed. So the sargassum fish is in the net. I'm gonna put it into the water and kind of show you what I mean by it looks just like seaweed. Look at that. You could barely even tell the difference between that and the seaweed. And that is exactly why so many of them grow nice and big, because nothing eats them. Look at how pretty that fish is. So crazy looking. Just like, even if I release it, look at the difference between that and the seaweed. You barely even notice a difference. Insane. All right, we're gonna get this guy back, but I wanted to get the GoPro to get underwater footage of him swimming away. Ready?
Yep.
Dude, it's insane how much they blend in. Oh, he's gone. Ryan,
Well,
what do you think, bro?
I've literally grown up fishing in Florida for 22 years of my life, and I never knew those existed. Like, that was, bro, nuts to you, nuts
Mom,
to Cam.
Pamela.
You are insane, guys. Smash that like button. What a catch.
Shout out to my
I
mom.
never even knew those existed.
I was at Cato's where you normally snorkel the other day, and I actually was just sitting there watching the seaweed pass by me, grabbing all sorts of stuff, crabs, you know, filefish, similar to what we're doing now, and I caught a baby one of that exact same fish, sargassum fish, and I was like, if I had my camera rolling right now, it would be the coolest thing ever. And we just happened to catch one on video again, so I'm super excited. Y'all gotta smash that like button. This is crazy. Take a nice scoop through that one, Ryan. Nice
right.
scoop through this patch right here. All this seaweed is getting pushed up. There you go. Bring it down.
Oh.
Crab too.
Whoa.
You got a crab right here. Little crab. Look at the colors of these crabs, bro.
Wow.
They're not even like a normal crab.
They
They're
blend
completely
in.
blending in with the seaweed. That's nuts.
Trash continues.
Bottle cap.
Piece of plastic.
Piece of plastic.
I mean, everywhere we look,
We are just cleaning up.
we're cleaning up shop, cleaning up house.
Cleaning up, cleaning up.
up.
Okay. Wait till we find a seahorse. Right, Mom? Plastic.
How could you miss this piece right here?
And that.
Come on, ball. Another sargassum.
No. You're so
I got
full
him.
of-
Dude, he's right here.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh, dude, he got me.
Give me
Show
the
my
neck.
mom, show my mom.
Give me the neck.
Huh?
That means I gotta neck you. Flip it around. No
My mom has
self-serve.
no idea, look at her.
You clowning around.
Come on, little seahorses.
Shrimp. It's gotta be shrimp somewhere. You gotta go
I want to.
under the seaweed and scoop up. That's how you just catch some crazy stuff. Check out, check out, check out. Oh, little crab. Little baby crab. Gotta get him back in the water.
Squish him,
There you
right?
go. Sargassum fish, little crab, little jack. What else did we get? Filefish. A whole school of them. A whole school of them. Oh my gosh, did you see them all? I had to have caught one. I did, I caught one, I caught one, I caught one, I caught one.
Oh!
Two of them.
Two of them. Look how small that one is.
Oh my gosh, look at them. They were in a little tiny school. That's just a little baby.
Bro.
They're beautiful.
Look
They
at
get
that little
so
guy.
big.
Oh, here's some.
They get huge, yeah. Look how pretty that is. Is that a trigger?
This
That's
looks
a
like
trigger.
does
That's a
it?
trigger. Yeah.
Hold up.
That little trigger at the top, try to push that down, Ryan. See how it doesn't go down?
Yeah.
That's so a fish can't swallow them. Their name's a triggerfish from that. Now we're gonna put them back. Both of them. And there's the little one. There they go.
here.
I was looking for those. I was literally just speaking about them. Oh look, we caught a bottle cap with it. Imagine you would have fell in. Oh my god. That would have made the
Not
whole
realizing
video.
that the boat would move if I leaned on it. I'm trying to get this bottle cap and I literally just, oh, I almost bit it.
Yeah, Ryan, you're really slacking here.
We got a little
Is
jelly.
that jelly?
Yeah, little jellyfish.
Oh yeah. Little jellyfish right there.
Little jelly belly.
Touch it.
Oh,
no.
and it's back.
I'm gonna go under all this. Shake through all of that. So we're just sitting here at the dock about to walk out of here, and there's just a ton of snook sitting under the dock. That's where they go during the day, I guess. Just chilling in the shade. Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Oh, and a giant spot. Dude, there's so many fish under here. Jumbo.
That sheep's head is huge. Look at that thing. Oh, right here, right here. Look at this angelfish. Look how beautiful.
Where?
Right there, right along the wall.
Oh
There it
my
goes.
God, dude.
Look how pretty that thing is. I don't think I've ever in my lifetime, I mean, I've seen it pretty bad, but this is like seaweed everywhere. Look at this boat. This is a $2 million boat sitting in a bunch of seaweed. Hello, everyone. Hi, hey. Hey, Gary. Oh my goodness. All right. By the way, shout out to Nick. He actually did this video as well, and I got the idea from that. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. If you went on to enjoy, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. My analytics show that not all of you that watch the videos have subscribed, so subscribe, especially if you made it to this point. I thank each and every one of you for watching again. That was awesome, and I'm gonna start exploring and doing stuff like this more often. Don't forget, a meet and greet, I haven't done one in like 2.5 years, is going down June 12th and the 13th. Top link in the description. Aquashell, it's in Orlando, Florida. Gonna be an awesome time. Y'all love Monster Fish Bash. This is an even bigger event. So use that top link down there to purchase those tickets, and I hope to see you there. Without further ado though, I gotta feed all the animals and get right on into filming the next banger. I will see you in that very next video. Peace out.
Paul.
Subscribe.